Maddox, he's 9 years old now. He's been battling leukemia since he's 5 years old, and we got to meet through fighting. What's up, Mad Dog?
What's up?
How are you?
Good.
He just touched me. It's just something that when I left that day, I thought about him from then on out. Just like, he didn't choose to have leukemia. He didn't choose to get up and have to fight for his life every day. So he gives me motivation every day of my training and every day of my life. And I can't be more thankful for him.
We really care for each other. Like, he helped me beat cancer, and like when I was down, he made me feel up and get up and take my medicine and stuff. So if he wasn't around, I don't know what I would do.
This is a kid that looks up to me, and it has a Cody man cave. You know, when I come in here, I'm kind of blown away by it, and it humbles me and makes me work hard and make his dream and my dreams come true. And guess what you get to do?
Walk me down.
Walk you down to the cave.
Yay! I'm so excited.
It's gonna be awesome.
Woo.
Excited for it?
Yeah.
25-year-old Cody Garbrandt walking out with his friend, his dear friend, Maddox, who has been fighting cancer, Joe. Every time Cody Garbrandt comes out, he brings Maddox. This the biggest time for Maddox to experience it. Cody said, if I win the belt, I'm going to give the real one to him, and I'll get myself a plastic one. They go the distance.
And new undisputed UFC bantamweight champion of the world, Cody "No Love" Garbrandt. I want to thank everybody that's been a part of it from the beginning till now. And I wouldn't be here without a lot of support from them, and especially this man right here. He really brought faith and redirection in my life. Maddox Maple was 5 years old, diagnosed with leukemia, and fought his ass to be able to walk me down here, and for me to finally be able to do this for him. What is this like for you?
Oh, this is amazing. I've never done this before, and I'm so excited that he won.
Congratulations to you as well, sir.
Without him coming to my life, you know, with what he battled, and at a young age, it showed how tough he is. And,
I'm not even really shocked because I knew he was going to win.
couldn't be here without him.